Welcome to this 3-Minute Thursday video. As the name suggests, our plan is to provide 3-minute tips each Thursday of the semester. These videos are designed to give you quick, helpful tips to improve your teaching experience. For this Thursday's 3-minute tip, we will talk about managing Canvas notifications. The notifications are the communications sent out of Canvas about all types of changes and messages. These notifications can help you and your students be alerted to these changes quickly and in an organized way. They are linked to the email or text account associated with Canvas. While there are default settings when participants first access Canvas, they may not understand the importance of these communications or how to change them. Customizing notifications can help unclutter your inbox so that you can pay attention to the important things. There is a step-by-step video on the process for Canvas users to set how and when to receive notifications from Canvas. It's linked in the additional resources for this video. We are going to focus on why Canvas communications are important for you and your students. We encourage instructors to use Canvas tools to keep all communication organized and linked to the course long-term. It's a good idea to set up an expectation for your students to know how you will be communicating with them and that they should be checking these pathways. Think carefully about which notifications are the most important for your class. Ask your students to turn on the primary communication pathway on to notify immediately. One note though, notifications set to notify immediately may be delayed up to 1 hour. Many students prefer using text. They can easily add their phone number to Canvas and receive notifications of your course directly on their phone. The list here is a combination of recommendations for both instructors and students. The most critical for students are announcements, submission comments, discussion posts, and conversation messages. For your own settings, you are going to need to decide what works best for you and how you manage your workflow. If you turn these on as notify immediately, you will receive a lot of emails, but you may catch some critical communication from your students more quickly. Once you have set your main notifications, you can also set course level notifications. Many of you manage courses you don't have an active involvement in. So now you can turn off the notifications for that specific course. To do this, click on the View Course Notifications link, then disable the toggle switch for notifications for that course. Don't change any other settings. Just turn off the notifications completely for this course. We hope this Thursday's 3-minute tip has been helpful, and we encourage you to share it with others. Please contact us with questions, to schedule a consultation, or to share ideas for future videos. The best way to reach us is through our shared email account. We look forward to hearing from you. Thank you for spending 3 minutes with us today.